You brush, floss, and still have all your natural teeth. So why does eating suddenly become uncomfortable after age 60? The answer isn't always your teeth. It could be the hidden changes happening around them. Many people think dental problems only mean cavities or missing teeth. But after 60, even healthy teeth can be affected by aging gums, dry mouth, and natural wear. As we age, gums often begin to recede, exposing the sensitive roots of the teeth. This can make hot, cold, or sweet foods suddenly painful. One of the biggest hidden problems is dry mouth. Many medications for blood pressure and allergies reduce saliva production. Saliva does much more than keep your mouth moist. It helps wash away bacteria and protects tooth enamel. Even if you've never had a cavity, dry mouth and exposed tooth roots make older adults more likely to develop new cavities. Changes in the mouth can also make chewing harder, causing some people to avoid healthy foods like apples, vegetables, or nuts. Fortunately, there are simple ways to protect your mouth. Drink plenty of water and brush twice a day. Use fluoride toothpaste, floss daily, and visit your dentist regularly. If your mouth feels dry often, talk to your dentist. They can recommend saliva substitutes or review your medications. Healthy aging isn't just about keeping your teeth. It's about protecting your gums, saliva, and overall oral health. A healthy mouth helps you eat well, smile confidently, and stay healthy for years to come.